Working with large datasets can feel overwhelming, but MAPOG makes it easier to bring structure to the chaos. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and create a new map. Add your story template as category, provide title, description, and image for clarity. Go to Process Custom Location, then select Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Open the Custom Location template settings and create a new custom location template. Select the feature as a point and add the necessary attributes like customer name, address, etc. Select your template, upload your Excel/CSV file, and match your Excel columns. Select your coordinates and upload your file. Your data instantly appears on the map. Now, choose Group by Attributes. Pick the attribute you want to organize your data by, maybe by state or city of residence or their project type code. Your data will be automatically grouped together by attributes. Then, customize by the Style layer. Go to Add Layer Style, choose Style by Category, select the same attribute, and choose your colors and icon size. Your data now stands out clearly through color and size differences. When you're done, click Preview and Share. Keep the map private or send the link to your team. With MAPOG, you can make complex data simple, helping you visualize what truly matters for better and faster decision-making. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.